Hello. You are your first priority, regardless of who you are talking to, what you're saying. You're the first one that hears your words, and you're the first one that digests your words. Got lots of bugs out here. You're the first one to receive your words. You're the first one that hears your words. You're the first one that understands your words. And you're the first one that embodies your words. You're always first. Always. So everything you say, you hear it first. You listen to you first. Because you are always your first priority. So you say, so it is. Live deliberately. Blinding sun. It's beautiful. Subscribe. Click that thank you thumb. It's awesome, isn't it? Namaste.